Top 7 Health Benefits of Eating Plants. A plant-based diet is not only a culinary lifestyle but also an approach to comprehensive health care and environmental protection. Besides providing diverse nutrition, it also offers a range of benefits for both health and the environment. Join us to learn about 7 important benefits that a plant-based diet brings. 1. Reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A mostly plant-based diet brings many extremely important health benefits. There have been many studies showing that eating less animal foods and focusing mainly on plants can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes and some types of cancer. Plants provide large amounts of antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E and flavonoids. These substances help prevent cell damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Furthermore, consuming lots of fruits and vegetables, especially those with dark colors such as tomatoes, carrots, and cabbage, provides a large amount of natural antibacterial substances. Helps strengthen the immune system and prevent the growth of disease-causing bacteria in the body. A diet rich in plant-based fiber, such as vegetables, fruits and whole grains, can help control blood pressure and cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. 2. You may live longer. Switching to a diet rich in protein from plants rather than from animal foods can play an important role in extending life and reducing the risk of premature death. Studies have shown that increasing plant-based protein sources in your daily diet can help support health and reduce the risk of dangerous diseases. Providing protein from plant sources such as soybeans, tofu, seeds, walnuts and whole grains not only helps the body get enough necessary protein but also brings many health benefits. These foods are often lower in saturated fat and cholesterol than animal proteins, helping to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and related conditions. A diet rich in plant-based protein can also help maintain an ideal weight and support heart and circulatory health, thereby enhancing overall health and providing favorable conditions for a healthy and long life. 3. Control weight and reduce obesity. A plant-based diet often has a positive effect on weight control and reduces the risk of obesity. This comes from the fact that plants usually contain less saturated fat and cholesterol and instead contain fats that are good for the body, such as unsaturated fatty acids and types of fiber. Plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, beans, and whole grains are often rich in fiber. This not only helps you feel full longer, but also controls calorie consumption and reduces hunger, helping to maintain a stable weight. Furthermore, plant-based diets often provide good amounts of fiber, which helps improve digestive function and maintain blood sugar balance. This not only helps reduce the risk of obesity but also supports overall health, enhancing the ability to control weight and maintain a healthy body. 4. Improve digestive system. A diet mainly made from plants, especially fruits and vegetables and whole grains, plays an important role in improving the digestive system and supporting the body's digestive process. They are an important source of fiber, which helps strengthen bowel function and maintain intestinal balance. Fiber from plants not only helps create a feeling of fullness longer, but also stimulates digestion and food metabolism, helping to eliminate toxic substances and residues accumulated in the intestines. This helps reduce the risk of intestinal diseases and enhances the ability to absorb nutrients from food. 5. Enhance mental health. Plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, seeds, and other plant-based sources of nutrients, which contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can help improve mental health. They not only help the body maintain stable energy but also support the functioning of the nervous system. Furthermore, consuming foods rich in fiber and phytonutrients helps improve gut bacteria. A balanced microflora in the gut is linked to positive mood and good mental health. This diet is also often low in stimulants such as caffeine or chemicals that can affect mood. 6. You will look younger. A plant-based diet not only benefits overall health but also has a positive impact on the aging process. Plants contain many antioxidant vitamins such as A, C, and E, which help eliminate toxic substances in the body, prevent cell damage and prevent the aging process. Antioxidant vitamins from plants play an important role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, the main cause of aging. They also have the ability to prevent the destruction of telomeres, the structural part of DNA cells, helping to maintain cell youthfulness and slow down the skin aging process. This not only helps maintain youthful skin but also has a positive effect on overall health, preventing health problems related to aging and helping the body maintain energy and good health throughout long time. 7. Environmental protection. Switching to a plant-based diet is not only beneficial for your health but also has great benefits for the environment. Reducing meat consumption and switching to plant-based foods reduces emissions, water and resource consumption. The animal industry, especially poultry and livestock farming, consumes large amounts of energy, water and land, while also generating large greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to climate change. By minimizing our consumption of meat and animal products, we can reduce emissions of methane and nitrous oxide, powerful greenhouse gases. Plant-based diets typically require less land and resources than diets based primarily on animal foods. This can help reduce the negative impact on the environment, protect biodiversity and maintain natural materials. Choosing a plant-based diet is not only a personal decision but also a step towards a healthier life for yourself and for the future of the environment. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to update more interesting information from our YouTube channel.